So we're here in Clovis, California, up in the attic. This is above the master bedroom, and right below us you can see the not the can, but the pancake box right here. That there. That is the ceiling light in the master bedroom dead center. And so you can see the moisture on sheetrock on this side. Yeah, homeowner or the tenant called us and let us know that we've got further leaking up here, and so you can see the water there. This side, even worse, you can see the standing water. And so I'll give you a static picture, and here's the video showing where they've chewed through. So, you know, when these hot lines are cooled off, it's cold water to them, so a rodent's going to chew through any line. So far it's been all cold water lines they've chewed through, but anyways, got a repair here. We're going to check, you know, it's pretty tight up here, as you can see. You know, you got ducts and then truss. You know, you got a duct here, a duct there, a duct here. There's another one over there. You can't see it, but I can. And then the roof line keeps getting tighter and tighter. So we'll check what we can, but without taking a ceiling down, it's really hard to get in there and check all the pipe. Plus, if you have an active rodent in the attic, there's not much you can do besides chase them around in circles. So hopefully the traps and bait will remediate that. And then by Tuesday, have a professional come out and get the traps and bait set in areas that you can get to, just to attract them. So anyways, got a repair here. And we'll take another video when we're done. So we're still in Clovis, California, and we finished repairing this hot PEX line. This is, I think it's Viga. Doesn't matter which plastic pipe it is, because rodents can eat through it. So we use Uponor, and rodents can chew through that. And this is Viga. We cut the tubing out and we saw the label. So anyways, they're having a field day up here. They're just chewing through left and right, and hopefully at some point they'll get this issue resolved. So hotline, we got a piece right here, and we'll put that down there with the rest of the piping that's been damaged for insurance purposes. And just a quick jumper over. We'd already used up all of our couplings, so just a couple 90s. Just jumped over to there, and you can see right there tied in. So anyways, hopefully this is it. I mean, you got traps set, nothing's been caught yet, and I don't know, maybe a professional exterminator should come out and take care of this, because you're just going to keep doing more repairs. But homeowner did contact us and authorize the work, so we're out here taking care of it. We're going to turn the water back on, and outside of that, this installation is done. So, still here in Clovis, California, and that's what we've got so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we've seen a dozen in our home before you get the rodents taken care of. But we just showed you the blue one. Cold, cold, and little guy, cold. And we cut these pipes down. You know, there's a piece of it, but you know, we cut out more and put some new pipe in, and you can see that's the hot that we just gave you a picture of up in the attic. So those are all your pieces, and I just hold on to those for insurance purposes, and just wanted to document that before we go. Outside of that, this installation is done.